Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are definitely fine and I'm Pooja. Welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel Nothing Impossible. So friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how to face our fear of speaking English. So, this is my today's topic. So, without any further delay, let's start the topic. First of all, I would ask you something that how many types of fear we have and what should we do to get rid of this fear? Like fear is public speaking, like fear is making mistakes, like fear is being judged by someone, like fear is you forget the word, you can't complete the conversation. So, only you are thinking like this. So, friends, this is the biggest problem for those who are able to write in English, read English, understand English, even they think in English as well. But while they speak in English, their tongue gets stuck and their mind goes blank. So even not only front of anyone, even they can't speak themselves, even they can't speak themselves at front of the mirror. So this can be called fear of speaking English. So I'm facing the same problem, that's why I know very well about this fear. So, if you really want to speak in English, then you have to face this fear. First of all, you have to make sure that I can speak in English. I will speak in English. I will definitely speak in English. Then start a step. No matter if you making mistakes, it's okay. Every learner learns from his mistakes. Even mistakes are good teachers for us. So, and no matter if someone laugh at you, if someone makes fun of you, it's okay. How long they will make fun of you? If you really want to speak in English, then ignore them and keep doing your practice, because we all hear that practice makes a man perfect. So do your practice. So that's all that I want to say. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Okay.